Everyone is lying to you about artificial intelligence. They say robots are coming for your job. They say a machine will take your desk, write your code, or pack your boxes. That is a distraction, a corporate myth. The real nightmare isn't that a machine will replace you. The real nightmare is that your boss has started worshiping the machine like a god. And you are the one paying the price for their delusions. Welcome to the era of algorithmic management. Right now, executives are feeding your company's data into AI models. They type in sales projections. They ask for customer profiles. The AI spits out a mathematically impossible result. And instead of questioning the machine, your boss questions you. When reality doesn't match the AI's hallucination, the human becomes the problem. This isn't just bad leadership, it is a psychological break. We call it corporate AI psychosis. Managers with a superiority complex, arguing with a screen, treating a glorified predictive text engine like a flawless oracle. If the AI says profits should be up 50% and they aren't, you didn't work hard enough. The algorithm is never wrong. You are just inefficient. Today, we are tearing down this delusion. We will show you why the biggest threat to your paycheck isn't super intelligent software. It is an incompetent manager who uses an algorithm to hide their own failures. Let's look at patient zero. Picture a standard corporate boardroom, fluorescent lights, stale coffee, and a middle manager standing in front of a projector, dead serious. He isn't looking at his team. He is looking at an AI prompt. He fed the system a pile of raw client data. He asked it to generate a flawless sales strategy, and the AI did exactly what it was built to do. It guessed. It hallucinated a perfect, frictionless scenario, a world that doesn't actually exist. The human employees went out and tried to execute it. But real clients aren't lines of code. They are messy. They change their minds. They say, no. The AI's strategy failed, miserably. So what did the boss do? Did he adjust the plan? Did he listen to the people on the ground? No! He got angry at the screen. He started arguing with the chatbot, pounding on his keyboard, demanding to know why the AI didn't understand the market. And the AI, programmed to be helpful and polite, agreed with him. It validated his bias. It told him the strategy was flawless. Therefore, the variables must be wrong. That was the breaking point. The boss turned back to his team. With a straight face, he told them they needed to appease the AI. They had to hit its projections no matter what. Because in his mind, the machine is perfect. So the humans must be defective. It is a depressing circus trick, and it is spreading like a virus. This isn't just one crazy manager in a random office. This is a systemic infection. Look at the mega corporations. Look at Amazon. They don't even use human managers for their delivery drivers anymore. They use an algorithm. The machine calculates a delivery route. It assumes every traffic light is green. It assumes it never rains. It assumes a human being doesn't need to eat, sleep, or breathe. When a driver inevitably falls behind, a machine fires them. No human review, no empathy, just a terminated contract sent from a server. Why do executives love this? I will tell you a secret. It is not about efficiency. It is about cowardice. Corporate leaders are terrified of accountability. 10 years ago, if a boss demanded impossible quotas, you knew exactly who to blame. You could point a finger at the tyrant in the corner office. Not anymore. Now, they have the ultimate shield. The boss just shrugs. It wasn't my decision, they say. The algorithm ran the numbers. The AI optimized the workflow. I am just following the data. It is the perfect crime. They are not using artificial intelligence to build a better company. They are using it to outsource the blame. They have weaponized math. They hide behind a black box, so they never have to look you in the eye when they squeeze you dry. You cannot reason with a hallucination. When a company's definition of success is no longer tied to material reality, when it relies entirely on the fever dreams of a server in California. That system is already collapsing. Do not try to fix it. Do not try to reason with a manager suffering from AI psychosis. They don't want the truth. They want compliance. They want you to bend the laws of physics, time, and economics just to make a chatbot look smart. It is a rigged game. And the only way to win is to stop playing. Disconnect. Let the algorithm fail on its own terms. Let the executives stare at their glowing screens while the real work grinds to a dead halt. The next time your company announces a town hall, the next time they proudly declare they are integrating AI to optimize workflows, do not wait around for the fallout. Update your resume. They are not looking for new tools. They are looking for new excuses.